Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Say video.
Quiet Place, right by Albert McCormick. Oh. God! Oh! Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Friggin' stupid.
He lit up a choke. He called cigarettes a choke.
What the f are you doing? Are you serious?
Hanging from the corner of his mouth. He took my grades out of that yellow manila envelope, which to this day, manila
Pull over.
envelopes trigger.
Pull over. Pull over.
Y'all know.
Pull over.
Connected with ghosts. Therefore, it's proof that there are ghosts. We would say the method of using a Ouija board should be examined to see whether it does connect ghosts or whether there's something else going on. So that's the issue here.
Try and close miss out. The hell? Watch out, don't go near him. He's an insurance frauder. Please.
I'm paying attention, Deborah. Ah, shit.
U.S. troops in Iraq, 500 in Syria, 30,000 across the Middle East. You have an aircraft carrier strike group in the Red Sea, as well as two
Jesus, Billy!
Oh, God damn it!
The
Fuck.
U.S. does not want to So right now, what
Yes.
we're seeing is
I got him on.
based on what the Israeli officials are saying and what some eyewitnesses on the ground in Iraq are saying is dozens of Iranian drones that are heading en route to strike inside Israel. Remember, Israel has some of the great...
2 and south of Teen, heavy Temecula into Rainbow, and then before Deer Springs past the 78. I'm Tori Peck, San Diego Traffic.
This report is sponsored by the County of San Diego Health and Human Services Agency. Child Abuse Prevention Month is about taking action as a community to recognize and prevent child abuse.